Meta is building an 8-mile-long AI data center, a footprint large enough to cover most of Manhattan.
Amazon is spending $200 billion on AI this year.
To put that in perspective, 21 of America's largest companies, its car makers, defense contractors, railways, oil giants, retailers, all of them combined spend less than that.
Nvidia makes the chips powering much of it. Today it's worth $4.5 trillion, more than the 100 largest UK companies combined.
Coders have already seen what's coming. Software is where AI is hitting first and hardest. They don't manually write code anymore, they orchestrate AI agents to write it for them.
The best coders aren't typing faster, they're typing less. Think about what a Fortune 500 CEO actually gets paid to do. Give direction to thousands of people. That's a skill that's about to matter for everyone, because every white-collar worker is about to become the CEO of their own army of agents.
This isn't some future prediction, it's rolling out right now, industry by industry. A future where humans still lead, but everyone moves 10 times faster.
That's what we're building at Rack.com. We're launching with 10 modules, with new ones dropping daily.
AI Pro Reasoning runs deep research across multiple models, including GPT Pro.
Prompt Library lets you pick a prompt, fill in the blanks, and go.
Pretty Docs turns plain documents into beautifully designed PDFs. It's powered by 102.ai, which redesigns your website in under 102 minutes with AI agents.
No more fighting with website builders. Just email your agent what you want changed. It does the work, then emails you a preview to approve.
If you're tired of paying for subscriptions you barely use, Rack.com will be the one platform to replace them all. Pay as you go with credits that never expire.
Have an idea for a module? Submit it. The community votes and the most wanted modules get built first.
It's like a democracy, but where things actually get done.
We're releasing new modules every day. The more we add, the more connected it all becomes, and the closer we get to the end goal.
Agents that orchestrate everything you need to do. Get started with 3,000 free credits at Rack.com.
Time to become the CEO of your job and your life.